How to add a currency converter to Shopify. So right here, I'm on the homepage of Shopify and we want to use the search tool to search for Nova. And then just click on search Nova in the Shopify App Store at the bottom. So you will be able to see this Nova multiple currency converter, and we want to click on it and install this. It's super useful and super simple to use actually. So you know how this goes. We will click on install at the bottom here, and this will just automatically install it onto our Shopify store. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It is going to look like this. So we have installed the app. We can watch the setup video, and we can customize and preview and enable the currency widget. So let's see right here, if we click on it, and we can also do auto currency conversion. So it will automatically convert to your currency based upon the customer's location. If we enable this, it's going to be super useful, because whichever location they are viewing our website from, it will just automatically convert it to that currency. And here we can do which currencies we want to show. So Canadian dollar, British pounds, US dollar, euros. We can do show all currencies here, which is going to be automatic, and we can set up some other information as well. So you can preview how it's going to look like. So it's going to look like this, and people can select it. But basically, after we have set this up, we can just, like I showed you, enable all currencies. And basically after we have set this up, we will just click on save, and this has successfully added our currency converter to the website. And if you need any further help, you can watch the setup video that they have. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.